Jai Gurudev children beta. In last period we have completed up to the page number 86 and half of 87, and story problems we left at that time, that in the so that in the next class we will complete. Now today we are going to start beta story problems. There are 30 toffees in a box. Find the total number of toffees in 46 boxes. In one box how many toffees are there beta? 30. Okay, so in 46 boxes how many toffee will be there? More toffee will be there. So for more, what we are doing? For more, always we are multiplying. Okay, and how we will multiply? Just see, it is a word problem, so we should write always statement also. Whether you write a statement, but you should write. Okay, see that toffees in one box, toffees in one box. How many toffees are? 30. Okay, so toffees in 46 boxes will be more toffees, and for more, what we are doing? 36 multiplied by 46. Okay, now how you will do? Write 30 multiplied by 46. Okay, simple multiplication. 2-digit number, multiply a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. So 6 0 0, 6 3 ja 18. Okay, now 4 0 0, 4 3 ja 12. Now add them. 0 8, 2 plus 1 3 and 1. How many toffees will be there? 1380 toffees will be there. It was A part of the question. Okay, now see, come to the B part of the same question. See that now there are 25 bogies in a train. How many bogies? 25. 60 passenger can sit in a bogie. How many passenger can sit in the train? See that. Passenger in one train, in one bogie, okay, how many bogie is equal to how many passenger? 60. Okay, passengers in how many bogies are in that train? 25. So 25 bogies is equal to 60 multiplied by 25. 60 multiplied by 25. Now do that. Any number you can write first. I am writing 25 multiplied by 60. Okay, so that my multiplication can be simple. 0 0, then make cross. 6 5 ja 30, carry 3. Okay, 6 2 ja 12, 12 plus 3 15. Now add them. How many passenger? 1500 passengers will be in a whole train. Okay, in that train how many passengers will be? 1500 passengers will be in whole train. Okay, now see that beta, C part of that question. In an auditorium there are 45 chairs in a row. In one row how many chairs are there? 45. Calculate the number of chairs in 25 rows. Here also more chair will be. If in one row 45 chairs are there, in 25 rows it will be more chair. So what you will do? Multiply 45 and 25. See that now. Chairs in one row. How you will write? Chairs in one row is equal to how many? 45. Okay, so chairs in 25 rows. 25 rows is equal to 45 multiplied by 25. Okay, now see that 45 into 25. Make their multiplication. 5 5 ja 25, carry 2, write it here. 5 4 ja 20, 20 plus 2 22. 2 5 ja 10, carry 1. 2 4 ja 8, or plus 1 9. Okay, now add them beta. 5 2 or 9 plus 2 11. How many chairs will be? 1125 chairs will be in how many rows? 25 rows. Okay, now come to the D part of the same question. see that now. The piece of a dinner set means one dinner set price is how much? 450 rupees. What will be the cost of 7 dinner set? If one is coming in 450, if we are going to purchase 7, then we have to pay more money for that. And for more, we are always multiplying beta, and for less, always we are dividing. Okay, see that. D part, cost of one dinner set. Of one dinner set, how much beta? 4 rupees 450. Okay, so cost of how many dinner set you have to calculate? 7 dinner set. 7 dinner sets is equal to 450 multiplied by 7. 450 multiplied by 7. Now multiply them. I am doing here 450 into 7. 7 0 0. 7 5 ja 35. Carry beta 3. 7 4 ja 28. 29, 30 and 31. So what will be the cost of 7 dinner set? 3,150 rupees. Okay. Now see that there are 24 biscuits in a packet. Find out how many biscuits are there in 67 packets. In one packet, how many biscuits will be? 24. In two packet, it will be 48. If in this way we have to calculate in how many packets? 67. In 67 beta, lot of many biscuits will be there. And for that we will do multiplication. Okay. See that now. It is E part. It is E part now. See that. Biscuit in one packet. Biscuit in one packet. How many biscuits beta? 24 maybe. 24. Okay. So in how many packets you have to calculate? So biscuits in 67 maybe. 67 packets is equal to 24 into 7. All question are of same kind beta. Okay. So what you will do? So you just write it here. 24 multiplied by 67. Multiply step by step as you are doing previously. 7 4 ja 28. 8 will write here. Tens place 2 will go here as carryover. Okay. 7 2 ja 14 plus 2 16. Okay. Now 6 4 ja 24. Carry again 2. Okay. So 6 2 ja 12. 12 plus 2 14. Carry, add it now. 6 plus 4 10. So carry 1. It will go here. 1 plus 1 2. 4 plus 2 6. How many biscuits will be? 2608 biscuits will be there in how many packets? 2608 biscuit will be in 67 packets. Okay. Now come to the F part of the question beta. F now. Rajesh earns. See that now what is the question? I am just showing you. Okay. Rajesh earns rupees 850 per month. In how much? In 1 month, how much he is earning? 850. How much does he earn in 1 year? How much earn in 1 year? Just see beta. In 1 month, how much money he is earning? 1 month earning is equal to how much? 850 rupees. And in how many times you have to calculate? How many months you have to calculate? In 1 year. And do you know in 1 year how many months are there? 12 months beta. So you will calculate for 12 months. So in 12 months, he will earn. 12 month earning is equal to what you will do beta? Okay. 850 multiplied by 12. So now write it here. 850 multiplied by 12. 2 0 0, 2 5 जा 10, carry 1, 2 8 जा 16 और 1 17. Now make it cross here, again do by 1, 1 0 0, 1 5 जा 5 beta, okay, and 1 8 जा 8. Now add them. 0, okay, 0, 7 plus 5 12, carry 1, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 1 10. How much earning? He will earn 10,200 rupees in 1 year. In 1 year. Okay beta. Now in the same way, multiplication you already know. Try to make the small statement for that, as I have done in these questions. And GHIJ, GHI and J, all children will do these questions in your homework and send me to my personal number that ma'am we have done these questions. Okay, they all are the same question. In the same way you have to do the multiplication in those questions, so you will complete them. This will be your homework part beta, है ना. Statement problems also you should know, so these will be your homework. Okay, then in next class few more questions are there, we will solve in that class, and afterwards your syllabus for the half yearly exams, it will be completed, and soon your copies are going to be called in the school for the copy correction. So do complete up to the there beta. Okay, till that, thank you and Jai Gurudev to all of you.